back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make super easy and delicious sopa de coditos. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe, you're going to need a package of 7.5 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 potatoes, 4 small ramen tomatoes, 1/4 of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 chicken bouillons, 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to create our tomato sauce. Alright, so I'm going to start by cutting my tomatoes. And I'm just going to cut them into fourths. Front back. Very nice. Ready. Alright guys, so once we have our tomatoes and our onion ready, we're going to add them to our blender and create our sauce. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my tomatoes. Our onion, our 2 chicken bouillons, our 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 cup of water. So we're gonna blend that for about 3 minutes or until we have our sauce. Okay, so after we have our sauce ready, we're going to start working on our potatoes. Alright, so now I'm just going to peel my potato. I think I got a butt potato here. Okay, so now that we have our potatoes peeled, we're going to cut them into small squares. We're going to rinse our potatoes. Alright guys, so after we rinse our potatoes, you will want to let them dry. Or if you got paper towels, dry them like that. But because we are going to fry them, you don't want the oil, in the water to cause a popping all over the place. Alright guys, so here I have a pot and I'm going to turn it on medium heat. We're going to add our 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're just going to allow it to get hot. Alright, so once your oil is hot, we're going to add our macaroni and our potatoes. And now we're going to fry them for about 5 minutes or until all of your macaronis are turning like a brownish color. So just make sure that you're constantly moving them around, okay? Alright guys, so once all your macaroni is fried and it looks like something like this, we're going to add our tomato sauce. And I'm going to add 6 cups of plain water. And we're going to add our 6 cups of water. And now you want to try to, if it's good enough with the salt. And if you need some salt for your liking, just add it right now. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Okay. So now we're just going to close our pot and lower down the temperature to the lowest setting and allow them to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes or until our potatoes are fully cooked. Alright guys, so once they're done, we're going to turn it off. So you can move them around and you can see they're already fully cooked. The macaroni has doubled in size, so they're fully done. So now we're just going to add our cheese. Just sprinkle it on top. And then just cover it and that's gonna, melt on its own. And that's basically it for our sopita. Alright, so now it's ready to be served. Look at all the cheese. My favorite. Potatoes and cheese are my favorite. Just add some limon or eat it like that and alright guys, and I like to eat my sopita with some lime juice. You can always eat it just like that by itself. It's seriously delicious like that on its own. When I was little, you guys, story time. My mom used to make this, with some chile, and then we used to eat it like that with some tortillas de harina. It was seriously like the best meal ever. You can just eat it like that, like I said. Add some cotija, some avocado. Make it like however you wanna make it your own. But this is basically it. My mouth is like super watery now. So, the best part. It's hot, but it's super good for you guys. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious sopa de coditos. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And as always, if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know what's your favorite soup. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. If you guys are still here, well, make sure you click right here so you guys can watch my previous video. And if you haven't already, make sure you click on my face so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you guys. I'll catch you on my next video.